months decided to go back to work. His first contract, Kaswa. People said, come and submit your estimate. Went to the mission house, said, Papa, please, it's vacation, but I need to go to Kaswa and submit my estimates. Can you please allow my children to join your children whilst I go to present the estimate? Mofra dia grow together, so the children, one 14-year-old girl and one 10-year-old boy, they went to the mission house to play. You will not believe. 2 hours to Kaswa, 2 hours back from Kaswa. 4 hours, the pastor had raped the 14-year-old in his absence. 14 years! A diacono never 14 years. Somebody tell me, I want to know. A diacono and there were 14 years. So obi Sofo maame wo ho ni inji ho adwono. A diacono and there were 14 years ho a obi a wo kuta Bible mo e gina Awurade mu kaso. E betimi. Tell me. Asisi Abofra na said, went to the court. In him here, and then definitely they will come and speak nonsense like, I don't know, it's the devil that made me. And not your born someday near maybe or no more. Or no abe who say. Crofone they are some more ashen. Yeah. Very painful experience. Anytime that father looks at that daughter, he will blame himself that in the death of his wife, he couldn't take care or protect his own daughter. Aden okopebi bi abrem ofrei edache and what Sofo de oje. You know, I'm telling you, Papa me dey am with a wo adwuma abo papa mpanifo ma ye said ye mo fa Awurade asem e kari wonyame asem ma fa asennua na tomko ho e kari de nante ye ama ye mu bi beji Awurade Yesu edi afa no aye ye wurane ye kraje nkwa e ye me wanwa that today we are narrowed down, watered down. Sofo mo adia obeye no osebefrem. Adia Sofo beye no osebefrem.